Okay, this video we are going to talk about the keyword dyne in Rust programming. Dyne means dynamic dispatching. So what that means is we can see an example. In this example, you can see that I created a struct, point struct with x and y, then a trait with name, point trait, and I have a function add xy with xy signature which accepts self and return i32, and here I'm implementing the methods for the struct. One of the method is new, which accepts two values x and y and return self itself, and I'm implementing point trait for the point struct, and here I am defining the add xy for point. It is just adding the x and y and returning it. And we can very well call add xy from using the p instance, like p dot add xy, something like that. But if you really want to call the um, add xy method, it's a method of the struct from some other function which accepts the the point trait, then we can create a function. This is the external function, function outside of the struct implementation, but here I am passing the, when I'm calling this function, I'm passing the address of the point object, and I'm I'm giving the type as the type of point trait, so that it can be validated, and this function can make sure that it's whatever type I'm passing is going to implement the point trait, and this point trait will have the access to the add xy method. So you can see something like this video from Jim. He explains the dynamic binding. So when you're doing a dyne trait, it's actually internally creating a table kind of structure where it the table, a pivot table, which stores all the address of the methods. So in our case, this pivot table will have the add xy address, so it can access that method. And also it has the x and y, the struct data values as well, so it will get um, the struct values. So with that, this dyn outside function can easily call the method. So this kind of mechanism give us opportunity to bring polymorphism in Rust. You can watch this Rust models by Jim videos that will he explains more about different type of object models. So having said that, we will call this program. So it's printing hello world 7. So what that means is we are defining a pointer, point struct new. So new is the method um, with 3 and 4. So an object got created and we are calling the outside function with this object address. So it will make sure that since P is implementing the point trait, this function can verify Rust allows this function to accept that uh, well address value. And when it check the method, it can find this method and it returns x plus y, and that will be returned here, which will be printed in this println statement. This is what dynamic binding all about. Thank you for watching.